Right. Whatever I generated now, a array with few elements, it's not the real use case. It's not the real use case. How the real use case will be there is, suppose I want to create a 1D array from the column or series. From the column or series, I want to create 1D array. Because in machine learning, mostly you are going to predict only one column. That column is, hey, please predict who is my next customer for this product. Recommendation system, we are trying to generate it. Out of a group of customers, we are going to say as, hey, these are the customers who may be showing interest. You maybe want to predict sales. You maybe want to predict agriculture crop, next insects. You want to predict next what is the virus will come into the picture. You want to predict when this virus is going to die. Something like that, we are going to predict only one column. The answer column, whatever available, is nothing but one column. That one column I can say 1D array. 1D array. We have in front of you one famous data set which is known as irish.csv data set. I would like to give some introduction about this data set. Let us go to the Google and try to type here simply Irish. Irish sepal length, okay, and petal length. Okay, now like this, something like this we written, and we are going for images. In the images, you can see I have here one image is available. In this image, you can notice here whatever just now it came out, that is called as petal. Whatever already grown up, that is called as what? Sepal. And we have how many types of flowers here? Versicolor, Setosa, Virginica. 3 types of flowers are available. Based on whatever we have here length, based on whatever we have here sepal length and sepal width, petal length and petal width, we should be able to identify the given flower is versicolor or Virginica or Setosa. We have to identify it. That type of data set is this one. Now, if you go and try to observe, in our data here, where is our data set? Okay, here. If you go and try to observe our data set, whatever we have it is reloading. Okay, if you go and try to observe this data set, whatever we have it, that flowers we are trying to identify based on sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width, right? So I have here these 4 columns are inputs. Down the line, they'll give the flower and they'll measure the scale help. They are going to measure sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. We are able to measure it. Based on that measurements, we are going to promote the flower is Setosa or versicolor or Virginica. We are going to promote it. In this business context, the species is what we are going to find out as a data scientist. These 4 columns are inputs for you. Machine learning always recommends input should be 2D array, output should be 1D array. Now I want to produce this one, whatever we have one column that I want to store into 1D array. How I can do that? Please study about irish.csv first, then I'll go and try to make it 1D array from the column.